Hey, what is up guys, Pose here, and I am here with another tutorial for you guys. This time I'm going to show you how to get Photoshop CC 2017 for free. Alright, so let's begin. So as you can see, I have Creative Cloud up here. You can download this on the Adobe website. I have already done so, or you can use the file that I link in the description below with this file right here, Creative Cloud Setup. You can just use that to download it. Either way is fine. But this Photoshop setup, you're going to need to double click this and let it run. What it's going to do is download Photoshop CC 2017 for you. This 2017 version is basically going to be what you're going to use, because what happens if you don't download 2017 and you download 2018, this file right here will not work. So I will get back to you when this file has completely downloaded. Alright guys, as you can see, I have downloaded Photoshop. Since I already downloaded Photoshop before and just uninstalled it, it shows that my trial is expired, but for you, it should show... Hold on one second. I will launch Photoshop. Okay, it looks like it's validating the software license, and yeah, it says my trial is expired, but for you, it should show that you have 7 days if you just installed it. But yeah. So as you can see, my trial is expired. I can't open Photoshop, which is unfortunate. But I've got the amtlib.dll file, amtlib.dll, that we can use. So what you got to do is you search up Photoshop. You go right-click and click Open File Location. That opened on the other screen. Okay, here. And you can see that Photoshop is here, but you can't see any setting files or anything. Like, you can't see any files that look like this. So you right click it again and you click Open File Location again, and there you go, you can see all the .dll files. And if you go, you can see amtlib.dll. So what you do, pretty simple, you take your amtlib.dll file from the .zip that you downloaded, and you drag it in here and you click replace the file. And in some cases it'll say you'll need to provide an administrator permission. You just say continue, and there you go, it's been replaced. So now you can close out of all this and you can open Photoshop. So let's see what happens. And as you can see, I'm not getting the trial is expired message, which is awesome. So there we go. Yep, that's it. It's pretty simple. Once you're in Photoshop, you can do whatever you want. Create a new file. Sure. Looks good. If you... And so you can see, you've got all the properties. It's not the trial version. You've got the full version, basically. It's just that you've got an infinite trial. Yeah, you can create a document. You can, draw around. Yep, cool. Yep. That's all there is. So... thank you all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, do all that stuff, and make sure you tell me down in the comments what you think I can improve in my tutorials. If they're not clear enough, if they're too long. I know this one's only gonna be 4 minutes or so, but my previous tutorial, which was my first one, it was around 15-16 minutes. Tell me how you felt about that one. And yeah, comment about future tutorials that you want me to do. This one's gonna be pre-recorded and then posted on Thursday. I'm gonna say Thursday around 5 or 6 p.m. Eastern. Right now it's Monday, but that's when it'll be posted. So anyways guys, that's all I've got for you today. So adios.